Welcome to the session on DT design thinking, and you see what a good day we have started. What an excellent day we have started. It's Ganesh Chaturthi, and like I was not much aware when we were discussing about the date. Me, Sony madam, we were thinking of what could be the possible deaths and all that. We were just thinking that, like today in the morning, I thought what a nice day we have started a nice course called as design thinking. And let me guarantee all of you that the course is gonna be very interesting, learning, best of fun activities, entertainment, edutainment, and all that. And I'm sure you're gonna enjoy the course. I would also love if few of you can come on the videos, because I'm the only person seeing myself. So if it is possible, if your network allows, I would request all of you or few of you can switch on your videos, because it becomes live interactions. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are.
Yeah. So if possible, switch on your videos. Let us come live, see each other, because we are doing a session online. So that's one. Second is, let us be interactive. Whenever you want to ask a question, you have a doubt, and anything else that comes to your mind, please ask. Like, let us be more interactive. Ask questions, ask your queries and all that whenever it is required. And apart from that, as I said, this is gonna be a certification course from CPD, Continuing Professional Development, UK. So the assessment, certifications and all that, for that we need an assessment. There will be pre-post assessment, mid assessment, few assignments, but very interesting assignments. You will love them to do. And apart from that, your attendance would be monitored throughout the session. So please ensure that you have a good network connectivity, because all these things we need to provide to CPD UK, United Kingdom, so that your certification can be done. So that I have mentioned clearly in the group, so that there is no ambiguity on this. Are we clear on this till now?
Yes, sir, we are clear.
Yeah. So how about others? I would like to listen everybody's voice, maybe few, and don't say yes all the time at a time. So again, it would become crowdy. So hope all clear.
Happy, sir.
All right, Dipsika. How about others? Angad, Suraj, Shrideep, Kiran.
Yes, sir.
All right. Archana, thank you for responding.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right. So should we start then? Okay. Professor Pragya, she's saying that she's having some network issues. No problem. Yeah, Satyapriya, you want to say something?
No, sir.
All right. So I'd suggest few of you can come on the video. No issues with me. If you are, in a formal and all that. Sai is the first person. Thank you, Sai. Congratulations for being on the video. He's somewhere outside. Anyways. So let me share this screen and start today's session on design thinking. Is my slide visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you so much. And let's start. So basically, the program, this would be a joint certification by RCM, CHRD, and CPD UK. So CPD is Continuing Professional Development, the largest accreditation body for online training and all that across the globe. So moving ahead, so we're going to start with a small activity, and the activity is called as design the name or design a name. So what do you understand by this? What that comes to your mind? Design a name. What that comes to your mind when you hear about this? Design a name.
How creatively we can define our name?
Okay, all right. And all of you need to give me one line answers. One line. I would like to listen from all of you. Let us make it interactive and let you all make mistakes. जितना mistake करना है करो, because mistake करोगे नहीं तो सीखोगे कहाँ से? Yeah. So you can answer in Odia, Hindi. So Telugu, Tamil, and all that Tamil are not allowed because I will not understand them. Right. So either Hindi, Odia, or English. Anyways. So yes, what do you understand by this activity called as design a name? And anybody can respond. Prabhat, Angad, Ranjan, Kiran, SK, I could see Archana, Bibu, whoever.
Sir, maybe explaining our personality, about our personality.
Alright, good. This is design thinking. See, we have already started the course. We have started the
Yes, sir.
program. This is what is design thinking. Designing your thinking, thought process. Yeah, any
Yes,
other
sir,
responses?
absolutely.
Sushant, Suraj, I could just see the names and Bihu, Ashutosh, anybody can respond. So Meeta,
A username, maybe a username, because we don't really use our own names on social media. So a username on Instagram, that can be.
alright Shreya, anybody else? If you are having network issues, you can write down in the chat room. If you want to write down, you can write down, no issues. Ranjan, anybody, I would like to hear a few more responses. Yeah, is it difficult? Have I asked a difficult question? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Any of the responses? Design a name. I have asked a simple question. I don't think that I've asked something a Herculean or gigantic task. कुछ बड़ा चीज नहीं पूछा हूँ, छोटा सा चीज पूछा हूँ, and that is all about designing a name. So let us start this. All of you can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now let's go ahead. Now what you are going to do is you use your name and to create a new name with a meaning. Use your name means you have to use your own name. The letters can be shuffled. Like my name is like AJIT. I can reshuffle the letters and all that, and have to tweak and twist your letters and create a new name out of your own name with some kind of meaning. And you have just 30 seconds to do it. And this is the first part of design thinking. So what you have to do is, did you get the point? So you have to create a name out of your own name, first name, or maybe you can take your name, surname, whatever you like. You have to twist your letters, shuffle your letters, and then you have to create a new name out of your own name. And your time starts now. Are we clear what we have to do?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Sorry, come again.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
All right. So your time starts now. So just
Yes, sir.
start as quickly as possible, and you just have. I'll give you 1 minute. It is 3:09, so 3:10. So your time starts now. Think of, plan something, decide something. Like a name out of your own name. And if you're done, you can tell me. Somebody has already written Shikha Deep. All right, Deep Shikha. Okay. You have just twisted, the words Deep and Shikha. Shikha Deep. All right, Deepska. Thank you so much. Sounds interesting. Shikha Deep. All right. Yeah. Any other responses? Quickly. Okay. Archana has written Rachana. Very good. Fantastic. Archana, it's superb. Excellent. I must congratulate you on this. You have done it fantastically. So I think
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, others, thank you so much. Others can come out quickly with their own thoughts and names as quickly as possible. And Archana, Rachana. So I have something for you, a surprise. Let me show that to you. You have done it very fantastically. I'm just waiting for others. So it is congratulations, and this e-chocolate.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. Count how many e-chocolates you are getting within 3 days, all of you. That talks about your achievement. And whenever I go to RCM, I'll be taking it live. All right, Rachna, Shikha Dev. What about others? Quickly, go ahead. Let us be interactive. That's the reason I said you that come on video, so that it will be more interesting for all of you. Yeah, any other responses? Okay, Shreya has written Riyash. All right, good one. How about others? I should get 30 responses here. Sushant, Shiva, Shweta. I'm just waiting. Subhasri, go ahead quickly. The more you respond, the better it is. Okay, I've got more responses. Najran, a city in Saudi Arabia. Very good. Ranjan, it's superb. Excellent. Ranjan, superb, excellent. And here you go. This is for you again. So congratulations and a e-chocolate.
Thank you, sir.
You're most welcome. So how about others? Satya, Shanti. Oh my God. Satya Priya has become Shanti. Male name has become a female name. Superb. Satya Priya. Excellent. Shanti Priya Das. Yeah, any other responses? Tushar Shurat. Excellent. Tushar,
Thank you, sir.
excellent. Excellent. Like this. Now you also get on e-chocolate. I must show this to you. So congratulations. Okay, I'm getting lots of responses. Shiba, Swata, Shivangini, very good response. Very good. It's going very good. Superb. Thank you so much for being interactive. Oh my God, it's still going on. Shivangini, excellent. Shivangini, very good. Superb. Suraj Srujan. Suraj, this is for you because your name, Suraj to Srujan, from sun to creation. So now congratulations, and you can eat this chocolate, Asutosh Asur, oh my God. Asutosh Asur, all right. Sarojini Sushan, all right, very good, superb. Susan Hota is Sushan, all right, this is again unique. Subhasri, Subha means fortune and Sri means beautifying. So Subhasri means fortune, beauty, excellent. Very good. All of you have, become design thinkers. All right. Okay. Thank you so much for being so responsive. And let's go ahead. Is my slide visible to all of you? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for the response. Now I will go do a test, and for this test you get 3 minutes only. How much time? 3 minutes. So should I paste it in the chat room? Can you copy it from there? All of you?
Sure, sir.
Maybe Shreya or Dipsika can put it there in a WhatsApp group also. So once you have copied it, please let me know. We'll start the test. It should be for 3 minutes only, not more than that. It's 3:15 and we'll wind it up by 3:18. There are only 10 questions. It will take you 3 minutes, not more than that. Can we start the test if everybody's ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good to go. So please go ahead. So you have got your 3 minutes of time and your time starts right now. There will be few questions, difficult questions, but try and answer whatever it is possible. Don't worry whether you score high or low. All of you are here to learn. So it doesn't matter. It is not going to affect your certification. Don't worry. This test is not going to affect your certification. This is just a preliminary test to understand that how much you know on DT, design thinking. And please do share your score and be honest. If it is 20, please write in the chat room 20. Yes? Yeah.
So where is the link, sir?
It is in a chat room. In a chat room.
Okay, sir.
One more.
In the chat room, if you can see in the chat room, Zoom chat room.
Sir, unfortunately, that message have been drafted in the waiting room.
Okay.
So
Is
please
it?
share the link.
Just
Actually, many have joined
yeah, just give me a moment.
now.
Just give me a moment.
Sir,
Are you able
please
to,
share the link once more.
Sir, just give me a moment.
do you need to put, should I put it in a WhatsApp group?
Yes, sir. Sir, you need to put it in the because you see, as of now, you are drafting it in everyone for waiting room.
Oh, is it? Just
Yeah,
hold,
you need
hold
to
a second.
change your
No, no, no,
audience.
no,
You
no,
need to
no.
change it to everyone.
Did it.
Yeah, it's done.
Is it done?
Yeah, sir.
Oh, thank you so much. I hadn't checked it.
You're welcome, sir.
Now, are you all able to see that? The link? Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are.
Can you see the link, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now your time starts now. We'll wind up the test by 3:20. So you get 3 minutes from now, and your time starts right away. So do as quickly as you can. Are you all done?
Yes, sir.
Please do share yours.
So, should we share it in the group or?
You can share in the chat room here, no problem. And let us be honest, whatever it is, if somebody also has scored 10, so please do share, because you know this is just learning. You need to understand it. You all need to understand where we all. You know, the first time before I did this course, I scored just 50%, 50 marks. That's it. Before I had done this course, DT and all that. So it is a pretest to understand where you stand. So you can just share your anybody else who has scored beyond 60, above 60, 60. You can just write a score 10. All right, Tushar, thank you for being so honest. Tushar has written 10. Very good, superb, excellent. All right, being honest. Amlan also has scored 10. Thank you for being honest. 20, okay. 20%. Asutosh also has sent an image and he has scored 70%. Superb, excellent. I hope no extra. Open book. All right. You can just write in a chat room because it's difficult for me to concentrate there in a chat room and on my cell phone. 70%, congratulations. 50% Satipriya, 20% Subhasri. Yeah, please go ahead quickly. If you're sharing the image and all that, it's difficult for me to manage chat room and this. All right. Somebody has written 90% results. All right. And another person has written Google wala. All right, please go ahead. 60, 100%. Who's 100%? Amlan, can you come live? I want to see you. All right, Dipsika 60, Shreya 90, Somita 60%, Ankita. All right, 60% going good, super. It's really going good, excellent. Ankita 60%, very good, superb guys. All of you are doing fantastic. So kudos to all of you. Many of you have scored very nicely and superb, excellent score. All right, others keep sharing. All right, 60 Ankita, good. 90% Shreya. All right, Ranjan 60%, good, very good. Also doing good.